HFX is high frequency forex. I mean, just the way we know forex. Forex is simply foreign exchange, where we trade one currency against another currency, or we trade currencies. Just the way you can swap your naira for dollar, you can swap your dollar for naira. Yeah, that's basically what forex is, and that is what the banks do. They trade currencies with our money we give to them. That's basically what they do as well. So HFX in itself is high frequency. It allows you to trade these currencies in minutes. So unlike the traditional forex, it is not margin trading, no stop losses. You don't have anything to do with pips and all of those. Here in HFX, it is basically predicting what the price of the currency will be within the next 5 minutes, or the next 1 to 5 minutes. So for instance, I have a currency pair, USD JPY or Euro USD. So what we are doing in HFX is we are predicting what the price action will be, what the market price will be within the next 1 to 5 minutes. So for instance, we say in the next 2 minutes, the price will work its way upward. In the next 2 minutes, the price will work its way downward. That is basically what we do in HFX. And we use fundamental and technical analysis to accurately predict the market. So it's a sweet way to make money. And that is what the HFX arena is all about. At the HFX arena, HFX is made simple. You are guaranteed educational videos, you're guaranteed live trading ideas that are going to be sent to you weekly, weekly educational section. I mean, you are guaranteed a minimum of 5 live trading sessions per week. So I encourage you to come on board, get started with the HFX arena. It is just $50 per month, and start securing the bag here. So for you to begin trading, you need a broker. Now, a broker is a financial service company that provides you access to platforms for buying and selling foreign exchange. And there are various brokers or brokerage services out there, but I recommend 2 for a start, which is IQCent or RaceOption. I mean, I have both, so it depends on you. IQCent has a minimum deposit of $20. RaceOption has a minimum deposit of $250. So it all depends on which of the brokers you like to use. IQCent is fine, RaceOption is fine. If you're able to fund RaceOption with $250, which is the minimum deposit, that's okay. But if you're unable to fund with $250, you can come on IQCent, which has a minimum deposit of just $20. So what I would do is, in the description of this video, I would add my referral link. If you sign up through my referral link, you'll be given a bonus of 200%. So if you're signing up with RaceOption, you click on my referral link, sign up with that, you will get a 200% bonus. If you're using IQCent, you sign up with my referral link, you will get a 200% bonus. And if you need any help at all, I have a link to the Telegram account below this video. Just send a message on Telegram and I'll be glad to assist you. Also, if you have any question or comment, you could just share on the comment section, or you send a message on Telegram. Thank you so much, and see you soon.